First myth, homosexuality is normal. Just like heterosexual, it's the same thing. It's just people doing what they do, loving one another. However, science would tell us different. It's what's called teleology. It's design. Things kind of have a certain function. You can tell the function of a thing. Let's leave people behind for a minute. You can tell the function of a thing based on how it's built, right? I mean, that's not controversial. If you see something you've never seen before, you kind of look at, hey, what does this do? How does that function? What does that work? What does it do? If you've ever gotten one of those toys from McDonald's that don't come with instructions, and you're going, what does this do? Okay, that looks like that will go there, and is that supposed to twist? What, right? You can figure it out based on its design. You can look at how it's built and how it works and figure out how it goes. Archaeologists do this every day. They dig up something, they go, what is this? And they look at the way it's designed, the way it's built to figure out its function. We can do the same thing with our anatomy. Right? The anatomy of an item can tell you how it functions. The anatomy of a person can tell you how it functions, how we function. And the parts of the body that are used in sexual activity are specifically designed to go together. The actual function that sex serves, reproduction, requires both male and female. It is obvious from design, from anatomy, from everything we know about the science of human sexuality and reproduction, men and women were designed to go together. That's science, that's biology, that's anatomy. There's not really any kind of debate there. But whenever it comes to homosexuals, the function they have to engage in, especially men, uses body parts that aren't meant to be used for that function. And that's all I'm going to say about that. Right? You actually get into the types of the science of cells and tissue, and you actually get that not meant for that. That is not what that is for. And now all that is to say is whenever they say this is normal, this is natural, actually it's not. The science says it's not. The science says that thing is not meant to be used that way. What you were doing is actually outside of the way your body was designed. Now, that doesn't even have a moral claim to it. That's just saying, hey, that's not how that was supposed to be. So the claim that it's normal, it's actually a little outside of normal because it doesn't fit the way your body's designed.